connect to the internet to continue. Guys, if you are getting this error right, you can easily fix that issue with the internet. So if you are getting this loop right, whenever you press this PS button and this connect to the internet loop, which means your date and time is wrong. So what you need to do is you need to press this more options and go to settings, and here come to system. Okay, add a system right, come to date and time. So mine is set right 11/6/2024, but this is 2025, so I need to change that. Okay, so see, or you can just enable, okay, set automatically. Okay, you can enable that, or trying to connect internet connections as well. So trying to connect internet, it's already connected, but still I'm getting the error. Okay, so the easiest to fix is go to system and check the date and time. Okay, and yes, now it's set automatically because internet is connected already, and this is automatically set. And if it is turned off right, you can manually change the date and time. So before it was 2024, now you can change it to 2025 and the right date and the right time. Okay, and then going back, also I am going to enable automatic. Okay, and then going back, now I'm gonna press this PS button. This time it should allow. Super cool, right? That's it, friend. Hope this video is definitely helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.